I'd like to celebrate one special person today. I saw someone walk without shoes. May I ask you to stand up, please? Can you please come here? I want to have a picture with you. Come on. Because I want to celebrate that you are not disabled, but you are differently able. Palakpakan niyo po siya bilang isang nagtatapos. Yeah, what's your name?
Vincent po.
Vincent. Vincent, you cannot run, but you can fly.
Yes po.
He cannot run, but he can fly. He will soar high. Anong pangarap mo sa buhay?
Scientist po.
Scientist. Anong gagawin mo after this?
About technology po.
About technology.
I-create po ng isang software para po sa akin.
Gagawa ka ng software. Anong software ang gagawin mo?
For my community at disabled po. Sa kanila rin po.
Okay? Anong kailangan mo to be able to create that?
Equipment po, katulad po ng computer set.
Computer set. Meron ka bang computer set?
Meron po pero low specs po.
Low specs. Anong kailangan mo?
High specs po.
High specs. Pwede bang yun ang regalo ko sa iyo sa graduation? Yeah, because his answer is not for himself. His dream is for others. And that's why they are special. O sige, that's my graduation gift to you. At sa inyong lahat, kung nagrireklamo kayo na wala kayong sapatos, tignan nyo siya at tignan ko lang kung makapagreklamo ka pa. Sometimes we complain that we don't have shoes. We don't have brand new shoes until we see a person like him to realize that we are blessed. You feel blessed?
Opo.
Do you believe that you are blessed?
Yes po.
You are blessed. And you are special today. Not because you have special needs, but because you're a special person with a special purpose. Congratulations. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Vincent. Palakpakan niyo si Vincent, the symbol of your branch.